నెల్లూరు నగరంలోని డాక్టర్ కేకేఆర్ గౌతమ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్ వార్షికోత్సవం అంగరంగ వైభవంగా ఉల్లాసభరితంగా నిర్వహించారు. నగరంలోని మాగుంట లేఅవుట్లోని సిపిఆర్ కళ్యాణ మండపంలో బుధవారం రాత్రి డాక్టర్ కేకేఆర్ గౌతమ్ స్కూల్ వార్షికోత్సవాన్ని నిర్వహించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా పాఠశాల ప్రిన్సిపాల్ శ్రీనివాస్ మీడియాతో మాట్లాడారు. కార్యక్రమంలో విద్యార్థులు, తల్లిదండ్రులు, తదితరులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
My father is a, my daughter is a mentor for many students in mathematics, especially. Once more, I would like to thank all the staff of KKR Gautam Nellore who has tirelessly supported my daughter's education. Now my daughter is solving the problems for another 5 students in the school.
వైద్యం ఒక వృత్తిగా కాకుండా మనుషులు బ్రతికించే ఒక మహాశక్తిగా ప్రజలకు సేవ చేసేవాడు వైద్యుడు.
Their entire patriotism towards nation that they have shown through their performance.
It's a song that will make you want to sing along and feel the rhythm in our soul.
Thank you.
The principal of Dr. KKR Gautam School, Nellore branch. I'm very proud to be here and the school as a principal. Here in Pichirli Kalyana Mandapam in Nellore, we have celebrated annual day celebrations very grandly. On this occasion, each and every student have performed marvelously, wonderfully, and I thank each and every parent, the teachers, and whoever have involved in this event, and all the parents and the students have made the event a grand success. Thank you so much. T. Lakshmi Garu is a gynecologist, and he came as a guest and blessed the children, and also our Dean Sir Satyaram Garu and academic coordinator Srimati Jayashree Garu also came to the event and they blessed the children, and really we are proud to be here in this school as a principal, and here vice principal Venkata Krishna Garu. So we both together is just moving forward, and in this particularly in Dr. KKR Gautam School, FACT program is a wonderful program here for the children. Here, without any stress, from morning till evening, without any extra classes. So here, for each and every children from 6th class onwards, we are injecting the subjects very smoothly and very gracefully to the children, so that nearly every year the students who are coming out of 10th class, joining in the other colleges and securing IIT ranks, JEE mains, NEETs, and moreover, most of the students comparing to other schools. Here particularly we have only one branch in Nellore. Comparatively total overall, we see that nearly 17 students of 2022 batch have secured IIT and NEET ranks. So here our program is a different program compared to other schools. Why? Because without any stress for the children, we'll just make them grandly to enter into their life in higher peaks. Thank you.